friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video I am going to be unboxing an early birthday gift, my friends. Yes, my birthday is coming up next month, and I got an early birthday gift. Now, you know, in my family, if we purchase anything or if we're given anything, we use it right away. We don't save it anymore. We stop taking life for granted in that way. So when I got this birthday gift, I just thought, you know what, instead of waiting to open it come my birthday in July, I decided to do it now. So come on this journey with me. Let's go and unbox this bad boy. What's in this beautiful birthday bag? Let's see. Okay, so oh, it's beautiful. It's a Maya Angelou doll, and these dolls are a special edition dolls. Mattel is the makers of Barbie dolls, and they're the ones that came out with this limited edition of Maya Angelou doll. And of course, she's holding a book. What else would she be holding, right? And I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I wasn't expecting this gift at all, and I wasn't expecting a Maya Angelou doll, but I love it. I'm going to hold on for this for years, God's willing. And if you do own one of these, let me know, yeah, where you got yours from. Okay? Thank you for watching, my friends. And remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better.